My people, Los Angeles. No, not be sorry they call am. Now Los Angeles. The matter don't meet me now, my people. Something happened for that place. So they say the sheriff's sheriff's country sheriff's deputy. I bet English not be my language. Anyhow, when you get on like that. Yes, they don't catch am. They don't record as they woman inside car. No be smart, you know. Did they record? And you know what's even funny me for this matter? They busy, they call them. Like they give am say operation for a walkie-talkie. My brother no even dey, in mind don't travel. From that side, they don't reach Africa. You no even dey hear anything again, my people now. So the only thing where all the people where they send a message, say, you know how white people they behave now? As they talk plenty things for the radio. The man no even hear now. So instead of may they get the man response, they get another type of response. Not be from my mouth when I go hear my beg. Make me watch the video first.
Open mic on dispatch 2 is an open mic, secure line. 95 Ocean, you have an open mic. 95 Ocean, open mic. 95 Ocean. 95 Ocean, you have an open mic, secure mic.
Hey, no, una. Oh, no, now why? The man no even they just they scream like goat. Ew, ew. No be smart, you know. They call am, you know, the Yawa. Even see my people. As I they talk to them like this, this man in job, don't they one in job now one leg. Ha! Before I been they think say all these kind of things now Africa. I not to say they know they do, but I mean they think say now for Africa all these things they happen where you understand? You know, white people they too they overstand that. So I don't even expect this kind of thing. I really when this matter reach me, I overshock. So because of 2 minutes pleasure, now this man just lose job. And when they imagine, you imagine how much they pay this kind of people. Bros, your life no dey balance like this last so because you don't dey jobless because of woman just carry you enter gutter. If I dey tell una say make una no trust women, una no go dey hear. But I no blame you, sha. Na konji dey cause all these things. If it be say they just dey walk. My people body they say no be firewood. You understand? But now, the girl in question, now it be my own wahala. You understand? Because I need find out who be this. And some people even be they tell me say, if you see where uniform people they they say because of their training, they very, very dangerous. Now no yes the girl won't even break the glass only with her voice. Her voice alone. She even break. My brother, your matter don't reach Africa, and I wish say no, my people now here una go still know now why you not supposed to subscribe because in face. I know say una no see in face, una no see the lady face, but in face and the lady face now here una go still find out. No worry, now here I go still bring and come on side. So now the matter where I thought say they can't share with una now because this one it's too heavy for my eyes to see only me. I say make my people also viewer. And wait till una think. How una see that video? How una reason this matter? Now wait till I want to know now. Drop up there. Una don't say no be only Africans they misbehave. Africa. Yes, my people, don't forget subscribe. If you never subscribe, or no send me back to my village, you understand? I just say una they enjoy all this bedu where they give una. Now why una supposed to continue to the support? Yes, and don't go far. Click on that bell, yes, so that you go get notified anytime when we drop hot videos. I go see you now later. My people, I don't bring in a matter for from Thatcher. I did show say many of now and Big Brother Nigerian housemate. She been there before. Now she don't send her video. She dey cry of joy because say her fans don't give and gift for her 25th birthday party. They give her one delivery bus. They give her 3 bicycle for delivery too. That one they use and deliver things. And then they also give her 6 million naira. My people, no be small matter how. 6 million naira. Now they give her as birthday gift. Her fans. Abeg, for una we no know wetin dey shele. Una no know wetin dey happen. Abeg, make we watch the video. Hey, abeg o, my people, e be like say me sef I go enter Big Brother Naija o. I no wan win o. Na just make I just enter, make they see my face, make they evict me after 2 days sef. I no care. No, una see wetin person dey carry. All in the name of Big Brother Naija. Hey, wahala don wear cover shoe. Big Brother me I dey enter, so make una look this face very well, and abeg make una become my fans too o, because I no come understand which kind. Abeg, the delivery van wey dey give this girl, wetin she wan dey deliver? Because I no understand. No be even that one be my problem now. 6 million naira. Hey, wahala for this economy. No, because I no understand. You sure say na Nigeria we dey like this? For this economy, people gather join 6 million naira give one person wey no even need am. Abeg, I need enter Big Brother Naija. It is very necessary and it's compulsory. I dey sure say many of these people wey dey call themselves fans, they no even get rice chop for house. I dey very sure na una carry una money say una dey give one person wey even fit feed all of una join money dey give am. Abeg, una get food for house like this? Because I dey matter. See, if una like call me bad belle o. Because see, children dey for street wey dey hungry. If una no know wetin to do una money, to use una money do, abeg ask questions. People dey prison, children dey hungry, people dey commit suicide every day. So women dey again wey no get husband, they get plenty children. So abeg, why una no fit just ask question? Some people even dey hospital. Now una gather 6 million. Abeg, no be bad belle me. I just dey give my own suggestion. You understand? And I know how many of una go agree with me, because this thing I no dey see am. Tasha no need this money o. She get money. Some people even dey call me, they tell me say, Madam Aproko, I dey suspect say Tasha just dey look for attention o. Say she buy am by herself. My people, if truly na her fans, na be say Nigeria government now, we no fit blame them. We no fit blame them, because before we dey talk say Nigeria government, see, no wonder they dey treat una the way they dey treat una. Imagine say Nigeria government hear this thing or see this thing. How you want me to see una? Now una go see the come dey talk say country is hard, things are hard. No, make una come see people don donate 6 million. Upon all the bad news, bad videos wey una dey watch, una no fit decide say okay, we dey go help person wey no get house. That money, see, you no even need up to 1 million. That money, just carry am. Some people dey sleep for street, get them one, even if na one room. Thatcher wey get mansion, we get car, we get they live life wey she wan live. Now una just decide say una dey, all of una just dey confused. I know, are they very serious? Una dey confused, una no know wetin to use money do. I know they surprised with the way Nigeria government they behave sometimes. Imagine this registration thing where they happen. Imagine say they ask us to they pay 20 naira. No, many of una don't insult them finish. Even me, I joined to insult them. But now they see why they do them because they don't say una get the money. No, see am. They don't. If they see this one now, they go say, we said it. They have money, but now una still go come outside, come they complain. Abeg government, continue to dey collect o. In fact, increase am to 15 naira because I see say many of una no know wetin una want again for this life. And if I hear any of una, make I no hear o. Una fit talk am, but make I no hear. If I hear say una complain, say country hard, say no job, say no money, una never chop. I go send thunder to una house one by one because I know they see the no relevant for this thing wey una just do like this. Make una continue. government don hear my message already, so in the next 2 weeks or 1 month, any other money wey they ask una, make nobody complain. Abeg, no be for all of una, they know themselves. You understand? Make they pay because they no get anything again to do with money. My people, abi I talk true, abi na lie I talk. I still want to know una own opinion for this case because I don't show una the video, una don't see all the things wey they give out. You understand? So drop her for the comment section. I want to know your opinion for this case. They do well, abi they no do well. I talk well, abi I no talk well, or any other thing where I supposed to talk where I no talk. Still, if you drop her for the comment section, I dey here for now. Don't forget, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share for Aproko show, and I will see you later.